Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you buy Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to buy Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase? Well, that's pretty easy. Coinbase has a easy to use app. They make it easy to buy and sell different cryptocurrencies all in one place, and it's all handled here in the Coinbase app. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open my Coinbase app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Coinbase app. This is the home screen here. Here on the home screen, you're going to see different strike prices for various cryptocurrencies, including your portfolio balance. As you can see, I just have a small amount of cryptocurrency in my Coinbase. But if you're looking to buy Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase, what you want to do is click right here on the bottom center. There's a blue dot with a couple of opposite facing arrows. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, one thing I want to make a side note of, this is not a tutorial on how to verify and set up your Coinbase account. You need to have that already set up to buy Bitcoin Cash on your Coinbase app. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But once this drop-down menu happens, if you would like to buy Bitcoin Cash on your Coinbase app, you want to click on this line right here called Buy. It has a little plus symbol next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, this drop-down menu is going to happen. It's going to show various cryptocurrencies that you can buy on Coinbase. But if you want to buy Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase, you want to click on this line right here called Bitcoin Cash. It looks like the current strike price is $483. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this order screen pops up and you get to choose how much in US dollars you would like to buy Bitcoin Cash. Now, the nice thing about Coinbase is you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin Cash. You don't necessarily need to buy a full one. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin Cash. And since the trading price is much higher than that, I'm going to end up with a fraction of Bitcoin Cash. Also, it shows you it's a one-time purchase. It's not a recurring purchase unless you choose to change that. It also shows you the bank account that's going to be withdrawn for your Bitcoin Cash purchase. If all that looks good, click this blue button here at the bottom. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, next this screen pops up. It is your order preview. So as you can see, I'm buying a small fraction of Bitcoin Cash, actually less than 10% of one Bitcoin Cash. It also shows you the strike price, so it's $485.90 for this purchase. The payment method, which bank I'm going to be using, I'll be using my Chase. It also shows you the Coinbase fee, because Coinbase does charge a transaction fee each time you buy Bitcoin Cash. So for this purchase, they're charging $1.99. And of the $50, $48.01 will go towards buying Bitcoin Cash. So the total amount withdrawn from my bank is going to be $50. Also, this is important. You want to make sure that you keep enough funds in your bank for 3 to 4 days, because it's going to take a few days for that $50 to be withdrawn from your bank, whichever bank you are using. If all that looks good, click this blue Buy Now button to buy your Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next this is the order submitted confirmation. So it shows that I have initiated a purchase of that fraction of Bitcoin Cash. It also gives you the option to set up a recurring purchase of Bitcoin Cash. So every week or every month, or, if you choose to do so. That doesn't apply to me, so I'm going to click this Not Now button here at the bottom. Okay, so I went ahead and purchased $50 towards Bitcoin Cash. Just so you know, Coinbase does send a confirmation email of your Bitcoin Cash purchase. Let me switch over to that email and show you what that looks like. Okay guys, I went ahead and switched over to my confirmation email. This is what it looks like. So it's going to give you a reference code, and then also it's going to show the payment method, the date and time, the amount of Bitcoin Cash that you purchased on Coinbase, along with the exchange rate, and the fee that was charged to purchase Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase, and then the total amount that will be withdrawn from your bank account. So there you have it guys. That's the easiest way I know how to buy Bitcoin Cash on your Coinbase app. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.